Hi, and welcome to Align Production Systems. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our new high-speed turntable powered by airflow. This turntable is ideal for robotic applications, dunnage exchange, or any other application that requires high-speed throughput. Like other turntables powered by airflow technology, these tables are powered by 100% urethane high-performance air casters, which float the tabletop on a film of air. The high-speed turntables are available in a variety of sizes, shapes, and weight capacities. Many standard and custom options are available. Let's take a look at some of the key features of the turntables. This example has a 10,000 pound capacity or 5,000 pounds per side. Minimal moving parts allow for a low maintenance system. Should you have a maintenance concern, all major components are easily accessible and can be replaced from the tabletop. The tables are only 8.5 inches high. 2 electric drives in the center of the table provide the force required to rotate 180 degrees in approximately 7 seconds. An internal shot pin provides guaranteed repeatability accurate to plus or minus a 1/16 of an inch. The control enclosure with HMI, VFD, and PLC is ready for standalone use or for integration into a larger system. Thanks for watching. For more information, give us a call or look us up online.